Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the ninth question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. The question is Shazli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into a shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? This is the wire of length 44 cm. And Shazli bends this wire into a shape of a circle like this. Here we have to find the radius of this circle, also area. How we can find the radius here? Here, for finding the radius of this circle, we can use the formula C equal to 2 pi r. You know why? Because this is the formula for circumference and a wire of length 44 cm is bent into a shape of a circle like this. Circumference of this circle will be the same as the length of this wire. So we can write circumference, that is 2 pi r, that will be equal to 44 centimeter. From this we can find the radius of this circle. Next we have to find the area also. Already we know formula for finding the area of a circle. It is pi r square. Doing this we can find the area of this circle. According to the question, Shazli again bends the same wire into a shape of a square like this. Here we have to find the length of each of its sides. Here also, since a wire of length 44 cm is bent into a shape of a square like this, perimeter of this square will be the same as length of this wire. That is, it will be equal to 44 centimeter. Now what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square? It is 4 into length of one side. That is equal to 44 centimeter. From this we can find the length of one side. The last part of this question is to find which figure encloses more area. For finding this, we have to compare the areas of both these figures. Already we have area of the circle. So next we have to find area of this square. And we know formula for finding the area of a square is side into side. After getting this area, when we compare both the areas, that is area of the circle and area of the square, we can find which figure encloses more area. Length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Circumference of the circle equal to, it will be the same as the length of the wire. So this is equal to 44 centimeter. Here now let us write the formula for circumference, that is 2 pi r, that is equal to 44 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into pi is given as 22 by 7. So 22 divided by 7 into r, that we have to find out. So write r as it is that is equal to 44 centimeter. Now we have to get the value of r. So keep r here itself and we have to move these numbers, that is 22 by 7 and 2 from this side, that is from LHS to RHS. So we can write r equal to 44 centimeter. Then since 7 is in the denominator, when we move 7 from this LHS to RHS, it will be in the numerator. So here it will be 44 centimeter into 7 and 2 and 22 will be in the denominator. That is, here we have to write 2 multiplied by 22. That is equal to, here we can cancel 44 and 2 and 22, or we can multiply 2 and 22 like that also. So I will write once again, that is 44 centimeter into 7 divided by 2 into 22. It is 44. That is equal to, here we can cancel 44 and 44. So here it is 1 centimeter into 7. So we get the radius as 7 centimeter. That is, here we found the radius of the circle. That is equal to 7 centimeter. Next we have to find the area of the circle. Area of this circle, that is equal to, we know the formula, it is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, pi is here 22 by 7 into r. R is the radius of this circle, that we got it as 7 centimeter. So we can write 7 centimeter into again r, that is 7 centimeter. Here we can cancel this 7 and this 7. So this becomes 22 into 1 centimeter into 7 centimeter. That is equal to 22 into 7. That is equal to 154 centimeter into centimeter. It is centimeter square. That is area of the circle, that is equal to 154 centimeter square. That is, here we have found the radius and area of the circle. Next, we have to find the length of each of the sides of the square. Let us do. Here also, first let us write length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Now, perimeter of the square, that is equal to, it will be the same as the length of the wire. So here we can write 44 centimeter. Now let us write the formula for finding the perimeter of the square. That is 4 into length of one side. If you take A as one side, then you can write the formula for the perimeter as 4 into A, or if you take L as one side, then you can write it as 4 into L. But here I am writing like this. that is 4 into length of one side, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore, side equal to 44 centimeter. Now, since in the LHS here it is a multiplication, in the RHS it will be a division. So, 4 will be in the denominator here. Now, we can divide the numerator and denominator by 4. So, here we get 4 divided by 4, it will be 1 here. Here also 4 divided by 4, it is 1. And in the denominator also 4 divided by 4, it is 1. So 11 divided by 1, that is equal to 11 centimeter. That is length of each sides of the square, that is equal to 11 centimeter. Next, for finding which figure encloses more area, we have to compare the areas of these figures. For that, we have to find the area of the square also. So, let us write area of the square equal to, formula is side into side, that is equal to, side we got it as 11 centimeter. So we can write 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter, that is equal to 11 11s are 121 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. So area of the square is 121 centimeter square. Next, let us compare both the areas. Here area of the square, it is 121 centimeter square, and area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Which is greater here? 154 centimeter square, is it? So let us write, since 154 centimeter square which is greater than 121 centimeter square, the circle encloses more area. That is, here we have found solutions for all the questions, that is radius and area of the circle, length of each sides of the square, and finally the figure which encloses more area. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.